When COVID-19 devastated the country and closed our doors, we quickly mobilized to ensure the Fanwood-Scotch Plains YMCA would still be a source of strength and resilience for our community. Early on in the pandemic, food insecurity and the need for PPE for medical professionals were quickly identified as high priorities. We started collections to support those needs and partnered with local organizations, food banks, and members of our community to collect and distribute over 5,500 pounds of food, as well as disposable gloves, masks, extension cords for ventilators in hospitals, phone charging cords for hospital patients, and much more. We continued to collect an average of 300 pounds of food each month for local food pantries and are currently hosting our Super Bowl food drive for the Community Food Bank in New Jersey, which is being spearheaded by our 2019 Youth Volunteer of the Year, Gabrielle Klausner. Another need that arose during the pandemic was for blood donations. We partnered with the American Red Cross twice, once in May and again in November, to host blood drives at our Y. Our gym was transformed into a temporary blood donation center, and in total, the two drives collected 71 pints of blood, which went to help save 200 lives. Also in November, our Y partnered with the Beacon Initiative, the Rotary Club of Fanwood-Scotch Plains, and Darby Road to host the first ever Kinds Giving. Due to the pandemic, we recognize that many people, especially seniors and immunocompromised, might be alone for Thanksgiving, and we raised funds to provide hot meals that were delivered directly to them. The initiative received such overwhelming support that we had over $5,000 in donations left after Kindsgiving that were distributed to local food banks including Fanwood Presbyterian Church, Immaculate Heart of Mary Church, St. Bartholomew's Church, Mobile Meals of Westfield, and the Emmanuel Cancer Foundation. In addition, we recently participated in the Martin Luther King Day of Service and collected socks for individuals facing homelessness and Valentine's Day cards to be delivered to local veterans. We also hosted a yoga session to remind people of the importance of finding ways to de-stress and practice mindfulness, and created kindness rocks to spread positivity and cheer during these divisive times. Our community support has extended inside the walls of our YMCA as well. When working parents needed a safe space for their children this summer, we adapted our summer camp program to meet the needs of our families and updated our health and safety procedures in accordance with CDC and American Camping Association guidelines. We had a very successful camp season, serving close to 60 children in 11 weeks of camp, our longest camp season to date. When we learned that local schools were either going to follow a hybrid or fully virtual models, we again pivoted our services to offer virtual learning and afternoon wrap programs for school-age students. We transformed the second floor of our Y into 5 classrooms to facilitate virtual learning for children in grades 1 through 5. We currently serve 42 students in the Clark and Scotch Plains Fanwood school districts. When implementing these programs, we reached out to community organizations to identify children who are in the greatest need of financial and academic support. Our virtual learning program offers $9,400 in financial assistance to families each month, totaling nearly $100,000 for the year. None of this would be possible without the support of our donors, members, volunteers, staff, and our community. Because of you, we are a better us, now and forever.